Good morning to you once again. Thank God for this blessed day. This is also another session of our lesson that we are going to go into. Today, we are going to look at how to tint photos with different colors to change the colors of a photo. Now, you place your picture. We have two methods, and then within the method, we have sub method. But let's start our way. So, you place your picture onto your background. So, after placing the picture, select on the picture. So make sure the picture is of one color, or when it's not of one color, you can crop it or remove the background to be one color. Or so you click on rasterize. You right click on the picture panel here. Then click on what? Rasterize layer. After click on rasterize layer, you come to this side, the left hand side, magic 1, 2. So you can right click and then click on magic 1, 2. Then come to the work. You click on the work. When you click on the word, then you click on use the backspace key. Immediately you click on the backspace key, it deletes the background. This is a background with one color, a picture with only one color. So use the backspace key to clean. After cleaning it, you press on Control D for dog to deselect the area. Now we are done. Now we want to learn how to give tint to our color or tint our photos so you select the feature. After selecting, go to the adjustment layer here. This is the adjustment layer, you can see. So you click on it. After clicking on it, you go to what? Black and white. Just click on black and white. After clicking on black and white, then you come and check the tint. You have a place at the top corner here. You've written what tint. So you check the right angle box here. After checking it, you come and click on this color. This is the right angle, is also a color panel. You click on it. It takes you to the color picker. Now, what color do you want to give to this picture? So I need so you come here, select, use that layer. I can bring my sun here. Okay. So you use the adjustment layer here to set. You want it to be blue. So you see that it comes blue. Okay. You want to be a different color. So this is blue. I'm okay with this blue. Okay, you can increase the depth or the thickness or lightness of it. Okay, so I like this one. So let it be this one for me. So after that, you click on OK. This is one of the way to add tint to a photo. You can use this thing for your designs. You can give all your pictures this kind of designs in the background. It's very, very, very nice. Okay, this is part of the intermediate class. Now, we also have another way we can do this. So let me use the same photo. I finished with the first method. The second method is and go back. Okay, second method, you also rasterize the layer in a picture. So and clean the background. Now you go to the adjustment, select the picture. You have to select the picture first. Use the pick. You can use the pick tool. Click on the pick tool or move to then select the picture. Now you come to the adjustment layer again. Now this time around, you don't choose black and white. You come and click on solid color. Solid color. I want to give it a solid color. So you click on a solid color. After clicking on the solid color, the color picker also appears for you. The color picker also what appears for you. So you select the color you want to use. Select the color you want to use. After doing that, you click on what? OK. After clicking on OK, you come to this side, the color mode. Okay, you come to the color mode or the blend mode. Here you have normal here. So click on the normal. After clicking on the normal, then you choose what? Color. Come down and choose what? Color. So when you choose color, this is what appears for you. If you choose color, this is what appears for you. So when you choose color, that's what appears for you. Okay, that's one of the way. You can also come and choose what? Hue. Okay, when you choose hue to for now, let's use the color. Okay, we use a different video or different picture to do this. This is the two ways we can what? Add tint or shade to a color. Supposing I don't want this color, I just double click on the color tab here. Okay, let's say I want a green color, so I'll click on it here and then how do you want the green to be? Is it light green or deep green? So I want it to be somehow lighter. So I come to this side. After selecting or adjust it here, if you want yellow, you bring it down. If you want red, you bring it up here. So that you are okay adjusting it anyhow you want, then click on OK. Okay, you click on OK. After clicking on OK, you are good to go. Then you can save your work. Add more pictures to it. Used to do your designing. Anything, it is very, very, very interesting. I like this feature very well. So I can change the color. Can also do it black and white. So these are the two methods we use in adding tint or shade to a color. Now I'm going to show you another thing. Let's go to another page. Now let's say you start a different page afresh. So you place your picture onto your background. After placing the picture, you select it or use the move tool to select. This picture has a background, a background of black. I don't want to change the background. I want to see if I add the tint and the shade, how the background also looks like. So our normal process, you go back, you go to your adjustment layer, you click on it, then you go to black and white. You can use the other approach. You can also use this approach. So you select tint, you check the tint box here, then you come to this side, you click on the color, then this brings you a color picker. Now what color do you want to use? Okay, so when you do this, it's the whole background and the image itself or the picture changes. Okay, let me shift this one to this side. You can see everything changes. It's very, very, very nice. I like this feature. So please, you see how it goes. Can you see the adjustment here? You just select the ones you want. As you select, it changes. Okay, you can change it any color you want, any color of your choice, to suit what you are designing. So when I use red, this is what I get. Now let me come down here and use okay, I want this color. So the image, you can see, then after doing that, click on OK. You can see that the background and then the image are almost the same. They look alike. Thank you very much. So that's what I'm saying. You just have to learn how to tint photos and other stuff. So you can also go by the adjustment layer and click on adjustment layer. Then you go to what? Solid color. The same approach. If you do it, this has a background, so it changes the background together for you. It's not only the image. If you want that approach, you can go by that approach. If you don't want it to affect the background, you have to rasterize the layer or remove the background from it using the rasterize layer. Then you go to the magic wand tool, then use to move the background, then you start your work. Thank you very much. See you in our next lesson. Peace. Shalom. Please make sure you practice. Let's practice. Practice makes man perfect, as you say. Thank you very much.